afternoon, students. Today we come to the last part of this chapter, and that is work in mind. These questions you have to solve mentally without using any paper and pencil. Looking at the first question, we have, is the decimal part of a number always less than 1? See, first of all, what is the decimal number? Decimal number means it will come after the ones place. It will start from the 10th place. That is after the point we mentioned the 10th and 100th place. So definitely it is less than the number 1. Okay, because 1 is a whole number and a decimal number is less than a whole number. Okay, so it is yes. Next question, do you agree with the statement that decimals deal with the numbers or quantities which can be as small as we count? Yes, because if we talk about any two numbers, okay, if we want to find out the numbers between them, the decimal numbers between them, yes, we can find out. So there is no limit to it. So we can say that it can be as small as we count. We think that yes, it is up till this. No. Suppose, like for example, we want between two numbers 0 and 1. So you have 0.5. Now between 0.5 and 0.1 there can be so many decimals. Even between 0.5 and 0.6 also you will have like 0.51, 0.52, like that. Even between 0.5 and 0.52 also there are so many decimals. So there are infinite decimals between two decimals. So it can be as small as we count. There is no limit to it. Next question is, so number 2 is yes. Okay. Next question is what? How many times 1/100th of 1/10? How many times is 1/100th of 1/10? Means what we have to multiply with 1/10 so that we will get 1/100th. The meaning is this. We know that if we multiply another 1/10 with this 1/10, then we are going to get 100th. So it is 1/10 times. Yes or no? It is. The answer is 1/10 times this one. Next question is, how much is 1/10 of 1/1? That is 1/10 if you do it in fractional form. 1/10 will become what? It is 1/10 of 1. So that is 1/10. Next question. How much is 1/10 of 100th? Means you have to do 1/10 of 1/100. So that is equal to 1/1000. Moving on to the next question, that is number 6. What is 6/10, 6/100ths in decimal? 10th and 100th it is given very clearly. So after point the first place is 6. The next place, that is the 100th place, also 6. So the answer will be 0.66. Next question, what is 8/100ths, 8/100ths in decimal? Between 800 and 800 there is no other digit. So you have to put only zeros. Means 800, 800, then point. 800s come in the second digit, second decimal place. So first decimal place you have to put a point. So 800.08. Next question, how many hundredths are there in 0.63? The name which we give to 0.63 is 63 hundredths. So we can say there are 63 hundredths in 0.63. Next question, how do 0.5 or 0.50 or 0.500 differ from each other or equivalent to each other? See, they are equivalent to each other because all of them give the same answer, that is half. If I will convert 0.5 to decimal fraction, it will be 5/10. On solving it to its lowest term, we get it as half. Even 50/100, that is also giving us half. And 500/1000 will also give us half. So in each of these cases, you are going to get the answer half. So they all are equivalent to each other. Last question. Can you write 100 meter 60 centimeter as 100.6 meter? For this we have to convert 60 centimeter into meter. We know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 60 centimeter means it is 60 by 100. 60 by 100, if we will convert it into decimal, you can write it as 0.6 or 0.60. So here it is written as 0.6. But we have 100 meter before. So 100.6 meter will be your answer. So I hope all these questions, that is work in mind, you all have understood very clearly. Thank you.